Hi there, I'm Dom from Sony Mobile and I'm joined again by Bill from Sony Digital Imaging. We've already gone through the superior auto mode on the camera of the Xperia Z1. So in this video we're going to go through a little bit more detail on the manual features. So Bill, could you just talk us through some of the settings on that?
Sure. Manual mode is where this becomes a camera and stops just being a phone. The interface changes completely when you use manual mode, and what we're going to focus on are the icons you can see on the left. Go in and play with them. You can't do absolutely any harm at all, so go in and play. On the top menu, the first thing you find is White Balance Auto. White balance makes your whites look white in an image. If you're shooting predominantly under tungsten lamp, you would choose that one. Fluorescent light strips in your kitchen, say, you'd use that. Outside on a sunny day or outside on a cloudy day. That will make your whites look perfect. If you go to the left-hand side, you see we've got EV mode. EV mode is what, Dom?
Exposure value.
Exactly. Photography is called the control of light, and as you can see as Dom's moving the slider up and down, the control of light is perfect on the camera. You can go very bright or very dark, and you can accentuate shape and form in the image exactly how you want it. A pro would look for this setting on any camera. If we then change and go to the menus that's down below, what you can see is we have a different range of settings here. The first one we're going to look at is focus mode. It's set at face detection at the moment, which is why there's a box around my face, but there are other modes available. Touch focus means that you can tap on whatever it is you want to focus on in the frame and the camera will follow it from there. The other ones are also quite self-explanatory, so we won't dwell on those. We'll go instead to the next setting, which is ISO. ISO controls whether you can shoot in a dark room without going to flash quickly. Essentially, the higher the number, the more low light you can shoot in without using flash. So if you're in a dark room, go up to 800. If you're outside, drop it right back down again. And once again, there's the metering settings on the camera. The metering settings determine where you take your reading of light from. By default, it's set to center. You can make it go average, so it takes a reading from right the way across the frame, or you can go into a spot mode where you can pick a particular spot on the image that you want to take the light reading from and use that to take your image with.
Brilliant. So basically what you're saying is when I'm in superior auto, that's the best mode for taking the best quick snaps. But if I want to create something a little bit more individual or special, I can go into manual mode and have a little bit more leeway.
Exactly right. It gives you more creativity.
Brilliant. So if I know everything about photography, then I can go into manual mode. But if I don't know anything about photography, I can kind of learn by doing as well.
Exactly right.
Fantastic. Well, I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.